You know what? The XRP market just hit some numbers I haven't seen since 2022, and honestly, it's got me really curious. Let's break it down. So here's where we are right now, sweethearts. XRP is sitting at $1.04, up a tiny 0.72% today. Now, I know that doesn't sound exciting, but here's the thing. Sometimes the most interesting opportunities come when things look boring on the surface. The RSI just dropped to 30.10, which means we're officially in oversold territory. And that fear and greed index? It's at 13. Extreme fear, my friends. Now this is where it gets interesting. That RSI at 30.10 is screaming oversold conditions. You know what I've noticed over the years? When RSI gets this low, bounces tend to follow. The MACD is still negative at minus 0.0466, but, and this is key, the selling pressure is actually weakening. XRP is hugging that lower Bollinger band at $1.05, which often acts like a safety net. We're trading way below the moving averages though, about 17% under the 50-day and 31% under the 200-day. That's pretty extreme. Here's what moved the market today. Bitcoin just dropped below $60,000 with a massive $10 billion options expiry happening. When Bitcoin sneezes, well, XRP catches a cold. President Trump also signed some executive orders about quantum computing and cyber threats, which got the whole crypto market a bit jittery. XRP moves with Bitcoin about 90% of the time, so this correlation is really hurting us right now. On the regulatory front, it's the same old story with the SEC challenges. Nothing new there, but it's still weighing on investor confidence. The Treasury did take action against some crypto-related groups, which shows regulators are still being pretty strict across the board. If we ever get clarity on XRP's legal status, though, that could be a major catalyst. The mood right now is, well, pretty grim, honestly. That fear and greed index at 13 means people are in extreme fear mode. XRP's trading volume has hit its lowest level since August 2022. People are literally exiting at losses right now. But here's the thing about extreme fear. It often marks the bottom. Contrarian indicators, you know? The big players are doing something interesting. I'm seeing 285 whale transactions, moving almost 237 billion XRP tokens. Now, that's a lot of movement for a quiet market. What's really caught my attention is that XRP Ledger's RLUSD supply just surpassed Ethereum at $801 million. And get this, Ripple reported a 2,200% surge in tokenized assets. That's not a typo. In plain English, the Elliott Wave analysis shows we're in what's called a C-wave correction. Think of it like we're in the final stage of going down before we can go back up. The Wyckoff method suggests we're in an accumulation phase, where smart money might be quietly buying while everyone else is scared. It's like shopping during a clearance sale, but for crypto. So what does the AI think? Well, this is fascinating. Short term, it's predicting $1.09 with just a 50.5% chance of going up. Pretty meh, right? But wait, here's where it gets spicy. The 7-day prediction jumps to $1.61 with a 98.5% probability of going up. That's a really strong signal. And the 30-day target? $2.04 with 63% confidence. The AI seems to think we're about to see a major technical bounce. But here's what could go wrong. The biggest risk is that trading volume collapse I mentioned, lowest since 2022. When nobody's trading, prices can move violently in either direction. If we break below that $1.05 support level, things could get ugly fast. And of course, if Bitcoin keeps falling or if the SEC drops more bad news, well, that 98.5% AI prediction might not matter much. All right, here's my take. I'm seeing a gradual accumulation opportunity here. The technical indicators, the AI predictions, and even that whale activity, it's all pointing toward a potential bottom. My strategy would be to start buying around $1 to $1.02 with a safety net stop loss at 88 cents. If you're more conservative, wait for a secondary entry between 95 cents and 98 cents. First target? $1.55, which aligns with that AI prediction. Second target, $2 for the patient ones. Don't go all in at once though. Scale in gradually as the market confirms this is really the bottom. That's it for today, lovely people. If this analysis helped you see XRP in a new light, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, trade safe and stay curious.